Today, I'll walk you through how to lock objects, or visuals, in Power BI to prevent accidental displacement or repositioning, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to secure your visuals so you can maintain a clean and organized dashboard. Let's get started. First, open your Power BI dashboard. This is your canvas where you'll be working with various visuals. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different, the steps will still apply. Next, navigate to the top ribbon menu and select the View tab. This is where you'll find options that help you manage how you interact with your visuals. In the Page View or Show Pane section, look for the option labeled Lock Objects. Check the box next to it. This feature is crucial as it allows you to lock your visuals in place, preventing any accidental movements. Now, still in the View tab, turn on the Selection pane. This pane will help you see all the visuals on your page, making it easier to select and manage them. Once the Selection pane is open, hold down the Control key and select the specific visuals you want to lock together. Think of this as gathering your favorite items in a shopping cart. You want to make sure you have everything you need before proceeding. After selecting your visuals, right-click on any of the selected items. From the context menu, choose Group and then select Group again. Alternatively, you can simply press Ctrl and G to group them. Grouping your visuals is like bundling your groceries. It keeps everything organized and together. Finally, return to the View tab and ensure that Lock Objects is still checked. Grouping your visuals makes it easier to keep complex layouts intact, ensuring that your dashboard remains visually appealing and functional. And there you have it. You've successfully locked your visuals in Power BI, preventing any accidental displacement or repositioning. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.